Satvik, today also your camera is not working. Satvik, Vivek, huh? You see, if I tell, then you'll just on, huh? What kind of? Okay, see, children, all of you. From a solid circular cylinder with height 10 centimeter and radius of base 6 centimeter, a right circular cone of same height and same base are removed. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Find the volume of the remaining solid. From a solid right circular cylinder with height 10 centimeter and radius of the base 6 centimeter, a right circular cone of same height and same base are removed. Find the volume of remaining solid. So here cone and cylinder is there. You know everything about cone and cylinder? Those who doesn't know about the formula, please let me know. All of it solve, Satvik. And then anyone find the answer? They can write in the chat box, children, those who are finding the answers. And those who are not getting, please try to understand here. From a solid right circular cylinder with height 10 centimeter. So just make one cylinder over here. And radius of this much base, a right circular cone of the same height and same base are removed. The same height and same base means one cone we should remove from here. I mean this part, this blue part we should remove. See, this blue part is there, no? We have to remove from this. Okay. So I'm just writing in two parts. Once I'm writing cylinder and here I'm writing cone. Okay. So cone height is 10 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter, and cone height is same 10 centimeter only, radius is 6 centimeter. There is no change between radius and height of the cone and cylinder. Okay. See, both are same. Now find the volume of remaining solid. The volume of remaining solid is what we can write: volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Is it clear, children, what I have written here? Volume cylinder minus volume of cone. Here height and radius both are same. Now see, volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Remember here, everything r, h, everything is same here and here also same. Because radius and height are same for cone as well as cylinder. Then we can take it common. Okay, if everything is same. If it is not same, then we have to think over it. So what we can get here, children?
2 by 3 pi r square h.
2 by 3 pi r square h. So we can write it down as 2 by 3, 22 by 7 Radius is 6 into 6 and height is 10. So 3 2s are 6. So what we get the answer here? 5280 by 7. 5280 divided by 7. If you divide it, you will get 754 and then 2 by 7. मेरे को यहाँ देखो फोन आया, बात करोगी? So this is the answer. Everyone got the answer, children? Anyone who is getting different answer from this?
I got the answer, sir.
So same answer.
Okay. Now next question is question number 2. All of this question. From a solid cylinder whose height is this, conical cavity. Tell me cylinder here, solid cylinder whose height is this, conical cavity, 8 centimeter base, 6 centimeters hollowed out. Find the volume and total surface area of the remaining solid. So I'm just pasting the diagram over here, how it looks like, the cylinder part. Okay. So all of you just try to see the cylinder. This is your cylinder and your cone. This is going to take it out from this, right? So what I'll write here, once I write cylinder and he'll write cone, because we have to write volume and total surface area. So first of you children, here you can't take common and all of radius and height is different. So you can't take common simply. So what is the cylinder height and all? Height is 16 centimeter, radius is 12 centimeter. What about cone? Cone height is 8 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find volume and total surface area of the remaining solid. So how to find volume of the remaining solid? So volume of remaining solid. How to find Satvik? Satvik, volume of remaining solid, how to find?
Sir, like which one, sir?
This figure you understood what I discussed right now?
Yes, sir.
In this cylinder, we have to take out this cavity part. This conical part we have to take out and throw. Means this part
Yeah,
we have
to minus it.
So what I should write here? Volume of cylinder minus volume of cylinder minus what I should do? Tell me, Satvik. Minus
The volume of cylinder minus volume of cone.
Yes. So what is the volume of cylinder formula, Satvik? You have to see now formula and all. Huh?
No, sir.
Then tell me the formula fast. Means from 3 days I'm teaching this. Before also I taught. Well, you are not revising at all.
Sir, I didn't revise.
Why? Someone told you don't touch the notebook.
Sir, no, sir.
Next time I don't want to listen the same word. I didn't revise.
Okay, sir.
Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
what is the volume of cylinder?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Volume of cylinder.
Pi
Sir,
r
1
square
minute.
h is volume of cylinder and 1 by 3 pi r square h cone.
Okay. Now here we are writing here R1 H1 we should write, because children, why we are writing R1 H1 R2 H2? Because these both are different for this. Okay. That's why we have to write in this way. Here you can take only pi as common. Pi as common, and in bracket you can write here R1 square H1 minus 1 by 3 R2 square H2. Okay. So pi is 22 by 7 in bracket R1 square. So R1 is 12 into 16 minus 1 by 3. R2 is 6 into 6 into 8. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. Now 22 by 7. We can take common again, children, here. 6 2s are 12, right? And here also 12. We can take it common. Then we can write here 12 into, and one more thing we can take common if you want. You can solve directly also, but I'm trying to take
8 common.
Yes, we can take 8 common also. So see, 12 and 8 we have taken common. So from here we have taken 8 common. It means what will be pending here? 12 into 2, right? Minus 2, 6, and here 8 is already common. So minus, nothing is pending, so you should write here minus 1. Is it clear, children, what I've written here?
Yes, sir.
So 22 by 7 into 12 into 8 into 23. Okay. Now 7 will not go. Now you have to solve. So 22 into just multiply and get the answer, children. 22 into 12 into 8. 12 is done. Huh?
6939.
6939 divided by 7.
No, sir. By dividing with 7, I got 6939, sir.
After dividing, it's going to completely divide it, or how is it?
No, sir. After that, 4 sir. 0.43.
Okay, 6939.43.
43. Yes, sir.
43 centimeter cube. Okay. Everyone get the same answer, children?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Huh? What? This is the first answer. Means you meant to say volume of this. Now total surface area. Now total surface area, formula of total surface area, how can find total surface area of, here you have to think so much, okay? Remaining solid. Means which part we can touch, that is more important here, right, children?
I think I got it.
What is the answer, Pulastya, for this?
The total surface area of cylinder minus the surface area of the circle of the hole plus the CSA of cone.
See what I'm saying, that means that the same thing you are thinking or not, just tell me. Okay. See, first of all, what I'm just trying to paint, try to understand here. So I'm dividing into 3 parts, okay? So first is I'm just dividing into CSA of cylinder. First case I'm writing as CSA of cylinder. Then area of this second part is area of circle, this circle. Then third one I'm just discussing about this concentric circle. Okay, this concentric circle, area of this concentric circle. Fourth and last part I'm discussing is your CSA of cylinder. Sorry, CSA of this cone. Try to understand here, all of you. And this part is not included, okay? Because that is whole, no? We are taking out, right? Is it clear, children, what I've written in 4 colors?
Yes, sir.
First, I have taken CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder. Then this one is area of circle. Area of circle. Then this one. This one is CSA of cone. And this is area of concentric circles. Understood, children? Concentric
Yes, sir.
circle. So we have divided into 4 parts. Once again, I am repeating this blue part one, what you are just seeing over here, that is CSA of cylinder. Then this pink color, that is your area of circle. Green color is the CSA of the cone. And fourth is your area of concentric circles. Children, this 4 part is clear to everyone or having doubts? Pulastya, same thing you are thinking of? Pulastya, same thing you were thinking before or any changes is there?
I was subtracting instead of adding all of them.
Okay, okay. Anyway, you can find TSA also. Again, you have to subtract this part. This part you have to subtract, right? Pulastya, that only you
Yes.
might have done. Okay.
Yes.
That also you can do. We can just take complete this whole part. Complete part you can take and you have to remove this middle one again, right?
Yes.
Anyone still having doubt, Deepshikha?
Sir, so in that diagram, is it the cone is having is it an indent in the cylinder? Are they taking the shape of a cone out of it?
See, Sai Ritvik, this cone is there, no, that you are throwing out of it.
Okay, sir.
If
Understood.
you are throwing out of it, you get one slant inside the deep thing you get in the cylinder. Can you imagine that?
Understood, sir.
That deep part only I have mentioned with your green color. All right.
Okay, sir. Sir, so
Mi-
the second circle layer is the base of the cone, right? The one that is not yellow.
Yeah, that is the pink one you are saying, right? That red
No,
color.
sir. I'm saying the yellow ring is rare. Around that one circle is there, right?
Yeah, that part is not there. No, that is not part of it because
That
you have
is the
taken.
base of the cone, right? Which we have taken out.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Okay, sir. Understood. Got the question.
So now here I'm writing all the things now. CSA of remaining solid is CSA of 1 minute. I'll write here. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of circle, means this bigger circle, right? And plus area of what? Concentric circle. Concentric circle. Or you can do, if you want, children, TSA of cylinder, TSA of cylinder minus area of a small circle, you know, area of a small circle, area of a base, area of base of 1 minute, 1 minute. Again, I'll write here. Area of base of which one? Cone plus CSA of cone. You can use anything. CSA of cone. See, that's clear or not? This is 3 parts. This is having 3 parts. TSA of cylinder, area of the base, that is cone base, and plus CSA of cone. Okay. Right, children? And here it's having 4 part. Pulastya, now I think second one you are just thinking of, right? Second one only you're doing, right?
Yes.
Both the solution is clear to everyone, children? Both part, what I've written here.
Yes, sir.
So this and this, okay. So next one, I just see 116 is the height of cylinder and 8 is the height of cone, 12. Okay, fine. Now I'm just using the second formula only. I'm just writing here. TSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r and r plus h, minus area of the base of the cone, that is pi r square. R1, R2 I'm writing here. This I'm just thinking cylinder as R1, cylinder as R1, H1, R1, R1, H1, cone we are writing R2, plus CSA of cone, that is pi RL, pi RL. The cone is your R2 over here, so pi R2 into L. So what I can write here, pi only you can take, or directly put the values if you want. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7. Radius of the cylinder is 12. Again 12 and height is 16, right? Is it clear? Minus 22 by 7 into, what is the radius of the base of cone? Cone I think is 6, no? Cone radius is 6, yes. So 6 into 6 plus 22 by 7. Radius, that is how much? The radius is 6. Cone only, right? 6. 6 into 6 into 8. 6 into 6 into 8. Is it clear now? So 3 parts you can solve and get the answer. So this is the first part. Second part here. And third part. So 2 into 22 into 12, 16 2s are 32, 3, 16 3 19, divide by 7. We can't cancel also, no? What we do, no? We just, what we do, 22 by 7, we take it out only. That's better, I think. Correct. Then we can do something if we, that is more easier, I think so. 22 by 7. And again, if you want to take anything, you can take common, children. Here is 36. In 36, you can't take common, no? 12 only you take common. 12 you can't take. You can take but leave, no problem. 6 you can take from here. 6 you can take from here. 6 you can take from here, right? So into 6 you take. In last what will come? 2 into. Here you have taken 6. So we can write again 2 in bracket 12 into 16 minus 6 plus 6 into 8, 48. Again 22 by 7 into 6. 2 2s are 4. 48 into 16. 8 6 are 48, 24, 28, 48, 7, 6, 8. 768 plus 42. So 22 by 7 into 6 into 8 2 10, 6 4 10 1 11, 8. So now what is the answer coming? Just check once. We're getting the same thing or different? Calculator I'm using now. 22 into 7. 22 into 6 into 8 10. Divide by 7. 15274. 15274.28. This is coming. Let me check once. So here, what is coming? 1 minute. 2939 is coming here. It's not coming. Acha, we are finding here pi RL we are not using here, right? So 2187. Something is wrong, children. Check anywhere we are doing mistake, because TSA of con is 2 pi r into r plus h. So L we have not find, right? L. This L we have not find. What is L? L 10 we should write, no? L we should write 10. So here we can write it as 6 is taken common, 22 by 7 common. So 60 we have to write here. So 60 minus 6 is 54. Let me check once. Something is not wrong, no, here. Pi r square we remove from there. Again pi RL we are using. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 12 into 16. PSA or CSA? Pi r 22, 6 into 10. Here is, see, here we have done it.
Sir, the TSA of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, no, sir.
Yeah,
So we have multiplied 12 into 16. We have to add 12 plus
yes,
16, sir.
here we should add. So 12 plus 16. Yeah, correct. So here we have to write. Again, I'll just do this part. That's better, Victor. One mistake, no. So we can write 22 into 22 by 7. We have taken common over here. 22 into 6 we have taken common. I'll just revise this part also. So 2 into 26, 22, and here we have taken 6 common. So what we can write here? 2 into, here also 2 only we can write. In bracket, what we can write? 6 to 8, 28. Minus 6 plus 22 by 7 is already out. 6 is only 10 we can write. Correct? Clear, children? So we can write it as 22 by 7 into 6. 20 feet, 56, 56 to 5 2s are 10, 112. 112 plus 4. 22 by 7 into 6 into 116. So what do we get here? 22 into 6 into 116 divided by 7. So 2187, 2187.42. All of you are getting the same answer, check, children. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone having doubt any place? Now it's clear. Now answer is correct.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Mhm. So second part is now total surface area we found and volume also we found, right? Anyone having doubt? No, no.
No, sir.
So next question is question number third one. So this question is also very, very, means you should think only all the time about this question. See, a circus tent of is cylindrical to a height of 4 meter and conical above it. Try to just draw the diagram first, all of you.
The conical above it. I didn't understand.
Acha, conical means cylinder, you know, no? Circus tent you have seen, right? So conical is above the cylinder. I just draw the diagram once.
Oh, okay. I got it, sir.
Uh, so conical, just like circus tent you have seen, right? The conical will be so for making the height of the cylinder. So children, just pasting the diagram, same thing over here. Just try to understand if you're not understanding this. See, this is a figure like this.
Sir, I understood all the question, but I didn't understand how to implement the width. What is the width for?
Width of what?
Sir, it's given the last rupees 15 per meter if the width is 1.5.
Acha, cost of canvas. See, cost of canvas is like you have seen the sari, no?
Yes,
Sari you have
so
seen.
what is the width? We're calculating the width of the tent.
Wait. If I discuss, then we'll get to know what goes in this. I just
Okay, sir.
once again, I'll just. Okay. So a circus tent is cylindrical to a height. So cylinder right here and cone right here. The cylindrical height is how much? 4 meters. Conical above it, its diameter is 105 meters. What is 105 meters? The cylindrical part, right? The cylinder is how much? What is the radius of it? 105 divided by 2 meters. And radius of the cones will remain the same. The R is equals to 105 divided by 2 meters. It's clear? Scientific?
Yes, sir.
And slant height is 80. So L is given 80 meters. Calculate the total area of the canvas required. See, area of the canvas required, it means that you have to find the area of what? Means total surface.
CSA of cylinder plus TSA of cone.
Why not TSA of cylinder? Scientific?
Sir, because they're sharing a base.
Sharing a.
They're sharing the circle part.
What I'm saying, you are finding CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is only surrounding part, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? So why we are not finding this one? Tell me. Because CSA not
Sir,
includes
because
this one.
that's a tent, it will be covered by grass. I mean, sir,
Yeah.
the floor.
Acha. What about this one?
So that is the base of the cone. So we can calculate TSA of that.
That we can calculate.
We
No,
don't
sir, I
have to
don't think.
calculate that, sir, because that is the air inside the tent.
Yes. We
Only
can't
the
feel by
outside we
hand.
have.
Yes, exactly. We can't feel it, right? We can't touch.
Yes, sir.
So see, this is a two part. So we just divide into two parts. So total surface area. So total surface area of canvas is equals to what we can write? Total surface of canvas CSA
CSA of cylinder
Plus CS
plus
of cone.
CSA of cone.
CSA of cone. Very nice. So we'll write here 2 pi r h plus CSA of cone is
IRL.
pi rl. So see, pi and r is same for both. So we are not going to write r1, r2 over here because radius is same, right? So pi r you
Yes,
can
sir.
take it common, and in bracket we can write 2h plus l. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So pi 22 by 7. Radius is 1 naught pi divided by 2. In bracket we can write 2. H of the cylinder, remember children, H is the cylinder height. The cylinder height is into 4 plus L is 80. Be careful when you are writing H and L. Don't put H all of this one, cone and all. It's not there, but the part of cylinder is a part of cone. Okay. Sometimes children will do mistake here. Now see 2, 11, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So 15 into 11. The 15 ones are 15 and 15 116, 165
Yes, sir.
into 8.
14520, the whole answer.
1 4 what?
Sir, the whole TSA of the cone is, I mean, the shape is 14520.
14520, right?
Yes, sir.
14520. Very nice. So this is a meter square. We are getting the area of canvas. Now you might
TSA
have,
of canvas.
now you are having doubt that find the total cost. Find the total cost of the canvas. This you are not understanding, right? Width, what is width here, right? Correct? Anyone who
Yes, sir.
anyone who understood this question, this second part of it, if the width is 1.5, anyone, Pulastya, Krishna, Bhumika, any one of you understood why what they are saying over here? Tipshika? Yes, tell me children, any one of you. What is the width over here? Was 1.5 meter. Anyone can tell me?
The diameter.
Diameter of what, Pulastya? Diameter of what?
Oh,
Diameter is,
okay. Oh no, that's not the time.
yes, tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay, nobody knows, right? I'm just telling you now.
Yes, sir.
Now you are having a cloth like shape over here. See, so you are using this. We don't know what is the length of this cloth. We don't know this, right? And this cloth length, what is given here? Cloth length is 1.5 meter. Width is 1.5 meter. Understood, children? How much length of cloth? How much? This is canvas. This is what? Canvas. What we are going to use to make the tent. Understood? Here also children try to understand very carefully. So how much length is required? Means you have to find the x, that is how much. If you know the x, you can find the cost easily, right? Is it clear? If you are having the cost length of the canvas, you can find the cost of the canvas easily. Correct or not, Bhumika?
Yes, sir.
So what we are,
14520 by 1.5.
yes. Why we are doing like that? See this area, what we got.
LB.
What? Yeah.
Sir, I done L into B.
Yes. So see this area, what we are getting now, children, all of you. This area is nothing but area of this canvas. Understood this concept?
So we're finding length because we're dividing whole by width.
Wait. Don't tell. But let me finish this first. What I'm saying that the area what we got here, total surface area, the same area is the area of this canvas. So can we write here TSA of the what TSA, which TSA we find here? TSA of canvas is equals to TSA of this color is not, we can not choose over. So TSA of canvas, sorry, TSA of what we can write here? Canvas, or you can write TSA of is equals to same thing, area of canvas of width 1.5 meter. Can we write like area of canvas is 14520 is equals to x into 1.5? Can we write, children, or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So x is equals to 14520 divided by 1.5. If you remove this point, you'll get one more zero over here. Now cancel this. I have removed this point over now. Now cancel this 15. 15 nines are 135. Carry 10. 102. So 15 6 are 90.
9680.
80. Okay. This much meters is coming. Now see the cost of the canvas. Cost of the canvas is rupees 15 per meter. Means 1 meter cost is 15 rupees. So 9680 cost how much? 1 meter cost how much rupees? Rupees 16. So 9680 meters cost how much? Rupees 16 into 9680. So we can just multiply 16.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Sir, 1,54,880.
This much.
Yes, sir.
So here answer we are getting is 145200. 14. So we have done mistake. 14520 by 50. 14520. 14520 9680 we are getting. 9680 only. 9680 into 15. 15 should come. No, this is not 15 should come. 15 is given the Krishna, this is 15 only. Check. You have understood, Krishna? 15 is given in the question or not?
Sir.
You are using
Then it
calculator?
becomes 145,200, sir.
You are using calculator?
No, sir.
Because I written 16 into 9680 written till in one means immediately. So this is
Sir,
rupees
I was
50.
doing in book, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I didn't understand what is x in this case. Like, what do we take as x?
X is the length of this canvas, Ritvik. See, X is the length of this canvas. See, X is the length of this canvas. See,
Okay, so they gave us the area and we have to divide by width to get the length.
where they have given the area. Area we found, no, here.
Yes, sir. We
We
found the
found.
area, so we have to find the length with the width.
Yeah. So because this area and this whole canvas area is same only, no?
Okay, sir. So the cost we're finding just for the length.
Yeah. Just for the
Okay.
length, no, they're asking cost, no, in the question. Question is they're asking cost only. Find the total cost. See here.
Yes, sir. I was confused because total cost I thought it's for TSA.
TSA is total surface area, not total cost.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Anyone having doubt in any part of it? TSA of canvas, why we are equating with this canvas, or why this cost is coming into this? Satvik is not there in the meeting only, right? Next question we do now. This question because lengthy question is bigger. It's easy, but it's lengthy. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So circus tent. Same thing is this? No, no, different, right? I'll just give you the diagram image over here for this, okay? So circus tent Circus tent is cylindrical to height of 8 meters. Cylindrical tent is circus tent. A circus tent is cylindrical to height of 8 meters, surmounted by a conical part. Surmounted by a conical part. If total height of the tent is 13 meters, is given 13 meters total height of the tent. Diameter of the base is 24 meters. So first what we did, children, here, we just write all the parameters separately, okay? All the parameters separately we'll do. 1 meter, 1 minute, Susan. Hello. Now see, the height of the uh, total height of the tent is 13. So height of the cylinder is 8 and height of the cone is 5. Is clear or not? This what you see?
Yes, sir.
Height of the cylinder is already
Yes.
given 8 meters. So upper part is obviously 5 meters only, cone height, correct? And here height of the tent is 13 already done. Diameter of the base is 24, so radius is 12 meters for cone as well as cylinder. We just close and just do once again. Now what we do here, we write cylinder separate here and cone here separately. So cylinder radius is how much? 12 meters. Here radius is 12 meters. Here height of cylinder is 8 meters. What is the height of cone? 5 meters. Right here H1, H2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next you write
Yes, sir. Clear.
L. If it is required L, then you can find L if required. Okay, it's clear. Now total surface area of the tent, TSA of tent is equals to what we can write. Bhumika, tell me, TSA of tent, what we can write?
The CSA of the cylinder and CSA of the cone.
CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Very good. Because we don't want this base, we don't want this base. So CSA part only is required. So now CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone is pi RL. See, L is required here. So you have to find L over here. The L is root over H square plus R square. So root over 12 square plus 5 square. So 144 plus 25, 169. So answer is 13 meters. Clear? Now put the values now. R is same. H1 we write here. So you can take what common we can take? Pi and R we can take common. And we can write 2H1 plus L. Okay. Now we can solve it easier. 2 pi, just 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 12. 2 into H1, that is 8, plus L. L is 13. So now we can write it here as 22 by 7 into 12 multiply by 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 13, 29, right? Now we can solve and get the answer. Just solve now. I just use calculator whether we are getting the same answer or not. So 22 into 12 into 29 divided by 7. 1093.71. 1093.71 meter square. Did you got the answer, children? Anyone still having doubt in this? Any steps? Krishna, you got the same answer?
I'm checking, sir.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Got the same answer, sir.
Very good. Next,
Yes,
one
sir,
more
they
question
got the
is
same also.
area of canvas required to make this tent, allowing 10% of the canvas used for folding and stitching. See how much area we're getting here, no? So 10% extra you should add over here, right? 1 minute, children. So 1093.71 and so 10% extra is there. So what to do for a 10% extra? 10% we can add into this, right?
Yes, sir.
We can add 10%. So 1093. See how to make it easier, children. Try to understand. Now what they're given here, area of canvas. Now area of canvas we should use 10% extra. Use area of canvas is equals to 10. This one you have to use, right? And you should use 10% extra on this. 10% of what? 1093.71. Children's 10% always what will be, you know that 1093.71, what will be 10%?
10. 1 by 10.
This point you shift over here. Don't do anything. What you just, this point you can see, no? This point you can shift here. Only one point you shift up, you will get the answer. So what we can write here, 109.371. You can add and get the answers. Okay, children? 10% and all is very easy. 10% and all will be very easy. What your answer you're getting, just check once. 1100. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
So I'll use calculator. 1093.71 plus 109.371. 1203.08 is coming. 1203. Its answer is
I
not
got
coming.
1203.081.
Yeah. So total area of the canvas. Okay. 1012. Some answer is coming 1215 somewhere. I don't know. We'll see once again. No problem. Here our answer is 1203.081. Okay. We'll leave till here only. Just see where some point mistake is coming still. We'll just check. Till here it's clear to everyone, children? Is it clear how we
Yes,
have
sir.
done? Okay. So we'll close the meeting now, children.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll see you on then Monday. If possible, let's just take Sunday also class, extra class. Okay. Fine, children. All of you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, children.